Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the really cool looking Psycho Bandit in Fortnite. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I'll show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this really cool looking skin, and to begin we're gonna start out with the eye area first. So we're just gonna draw in the mean brow, just two slants. The skin looks like it's something straight out of Mad Max, which is pretty cool. Alright, and then once we're at the brow area, we're gonna draw in the eye socket area. So I'm just gonna come down in it from the middle and then slant it back down. And then on the back here, just kind of round it and go back up. Alright, and then on the inside, I'm just gonna draw in one big circle. So this part's gonna be glowing. Alright, so now let's go ahead and finish up the side of the face. So just come out to the side here. It's gonna be pretty straight. And then on the corner right here, just curve it. So this is kind of the jawline, but it's got some vents going on, so it's a little bit, comes out a little bit more. So just round that off, and then on the bottom here, just one big curve. I know it looks a little bit strange right now, but once we add in the detail, it should be better. Alright, so let's just go ahead and finish up the top. So for the top, we'll just go up. Just one big dome shape. Alright, so now let's add in some details. So right in the center here in the bottom, I'm going to start right here. I'm just going to draw almost a full circle. It's going to hit this flat area right here on the bottom. And then once you have that, I'm going to start on the bottom here. I'm just going to draw, and this one's going to be a full circle. And then let's just draw one more inside here. Alright, and then right here, just draw a couple of lines radiating from the center. We'll just keep it simple. Alright, and then the side right here, just start on the corner. Just come down with a curve like this, so it's almost like an almond shape in here. Okay, and then let's draw one more line inside here. And then one more. This one's a little bit trickier. And then let's draw one more. Start up here. Just curve it right inside here. So just go from the side and just tuck it in right to this edge. Okay, so I know it's a little bit messy right there. So let's finish out the head with the ear on the side here from the eye. This one's easy, just come out, give a little curve. Alright, and then for the details on the mask, right in the center, come down into the eye, and then we're going to continue this line, just keep going down. So that's one, and then this is going to be a stripe, so we have to add in the other side. So just go up, you can make a little dot again, and then just follow that curve. Just go all the way down again. Alright, so that's a really cool looking mask, and now let's move on to the body. So for his neck, just come down. And then for his shoulders here, we're gonna make it a little bit more slanted. So we just come down. Alright, and then skip some space here. This is gonna be the armpit. Just come straight down. Make a little mark first. And then from there, we're gonna curve it in all the way down to his waist. This is going to be the top of his belt. And let's come down here and finish up his belt first. So right on the center here, I'm just going to draw one big circle. And let's add another circle inside. And then to finish up the belt, just come down and just go into the circle. So So come down from the side, slant it out, just come right into the circle. Alright, so now let's add in some details to the chest area. He doesn't have any clothing here. So right in the center here, come down, you can put a little V shape. That's gonna be the collarbone. And then right here, we'll just slant it up. Just a slight slant going out to the corners. Alright, and then the center here, just come down, right around here. And then this part here, just come down, and then just go angle it toward the armpit area. Alright, and then for the abs, lastly, just add in one line. And then from here, just draw one curve on the top. Alright, we'll leave it like that, and because he's not too strong, he's got some muscular, but he's not too buff. Alright, so here's the armpit, here's the arm. It's a little bit skinny right here actually, so we're gonna just curve down. Here's the bicep, here's the elbow. Flare out, and we can actually close this. And then continue on to the lower arm, curve straight down and close it off. And then for his fist, just a little hook, back of the fist, and his turn and close it. And we'll just add one line across here for the wrappings. Okay, so same thing on the other side. Here's the armpit again, shoulder, curve down, and then the bicep, not too buff. Okay, lower arm, flare out, and we'll close that off first. Curve, straight down, close. And then again for the fist, little hook, back of the fist, and turn and close. And same thing here for the wrapping. Alright, and then for the wrappings up here, this one's easy. We'll just draw a bunch of lines going across. And this one's slightly different. I'm going to start right about in the middle here. So these are the wrappings, and then this one's a different, looks like a different kind of material. So right here, let's add a little hook like this. Alright, so now let's move on to the legs. I know it's got a big chain right here, but we're going to draw the legs first, and then we'll draw the chain. Okay, so center, his pants a little bit lower, so we're going to come down a little bit lower and just give it one big slant coming down like this first. And then we'll come back up here on the hip, come down and just hook it in. So here's the center, come out a little bit more. Same thing here, just curve. And then curve up, so this is going to be his knee pad. And let's just go ahead and finish this part then. So just straight down and then round this off. So that's going to be the knee pad. So let's draw on the other side, same thing here. Curve, just hook it in. Here's the center, come out. And then on this side is a little bit different, so we'll just close it off with a line. Alright, so let's draw this leg first. Here's his pants coming down. Flare out. Pinch back in. And then right on the bottom here, just a little angle. Curve this way. And then now for the shoe, we'll just finish off this dome shape. Come down and just come out a little bit more on this side. Close it off. Let's just add one line there. Okay, and if you want to add in more details right here, we can add just like some lines, make it look like all bunched up. Okay, so the other side, this is actually the armor piece, so we'll just flare out and we can actually close that off first. And then here we just come in straight and just close it off. Alright, and then so it's right around here. Just make sure you guys have the same kind of length. Now we're gonna draw in a dome shape. So come down, come out a little bit more on this side, close it off, and then same detail on the bottom. And let's just go ahead and finish this off. This is gonna be, there's 2 straps here. So just a couple of lines, so that's easy. And then up here, start working our way back up. 1 line here, because this is different material. And then we're gonna come out here, just draw like a little, it's got a little dagger right here. And then on the top, just round it off. And we can actually continue this. Looks like a strap. Okay, and then on the side here, it's got, looks like a little pouch or a canister. 2 lines for the strap. Okay, so now for the chain, and this part's a little bit messy. You're gonna have to erase out some of these lines. So I'm just gonna come right around here. Just draw like a little rounded rectangle. Okay, and then now, so this is 1 link. Now for the other link, just gonna draw 2 lines like this, make it nice and big. And then 2 more on the top. So we're gonna have to erase out that little line there. Okay, and then on the back here, we're gonna continue this. Just draw like a little, almost like an egg shape here. So that's gonna be another link. And then now we'll connect these, 1, 2. Okay, other side. So we just have to erase out these lines. And that is it for this Psycho Bandit. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up. Check out my other videos, and I will see you next time.